Morning to all. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Standard 10 Mathematics. So exercise 3.5 question number 3. We are going to continue this topic. Actually the topic is rational expressions, operations of rational expressions. So first two sums related to multiplication of rational expressions, and we have done the problems. So question number 3, simplification. The question is, there are two rational expressions are given. We are going to divide the first rational expression by the second one. Okay, so first one, 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by 3a square plus 7a plus 6 divided by this one, this rational expression. Better we can find the factors of the given polynomials. So one by one I am going to find the factors. After finding the factors, we can substitute and get the result. So first polynomial, that is 2a square plus 5a plus 3. So this is the quadratic polynomial of variable a. Here the leading coefficient is 2. If it is not, actually if it is not 1 means we have to multiply it with the constant term. So 2 into 3, 6. So 2 into 3, 6, and this coefficient of a is 5. So product of two numbers is 6, sum of the same two numbers is 5. We know that 3 and 2. 3 into 2, 6, 3 plus 2, 5, we know that. So if you multiply it by 2, you want to divide by that same. So divided by 2. We can cancel them, we'll get 1. And this 2 will be multiplied with this variable. What is the variable? A is the variable. So 2 into a, 2a plus this 3. And this one, a plus 1. So these two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So second one, 3a square plus 7a plus 6. So here also the leading coefficient is except 1. So it should be multiplied by the constant term. So 3 into 6, 18. And this coefficient of a is 7. So product of any two numbers is 18. Sum of the same two numbers is 7. So what are they? 9 into 2. We found a mistake from this question. Here 3a square plus 7a plus 6 is there. Actually this is not 3, this is 2. So you have to change it in textbook also. So 2a square plus 7a plus 6. So 2 into 6 becomes 12. So product of any two numbers is 12. Sum of the same two numbers is 7. So 4 and 3. 4 into 3, 12. 4 plus 3, 7. So when we multiply it by 2, we have to divide by that same 2. So we can cancel 2 times. Here it can be written as a plus 2 and this one 2a plus 3. This 2 multiplied with that variable and plus 3. 2a plus 3. These two are the factors. Okay. So next one, a square plus 6a plus 5. So find the factors. So product of two numbers is 5. Sum of the same two numbers is 6. So what are they? 1 and 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. So it can be written as a plus 1, a plus 5. I hope you understood this. Next one is minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50. First I am going to take that minus 5, that is a common factor, out. If you take that minus 5 out, what do we have here? Here a square plus 7a minus 10. So if you take that minus 5 out, we can get the quadratic polynomial like this. So the factors of this quadratic polynomial are minus 10. Product of any two numbers is minus 10. Sum of the same two numbers is 7. So what are they? 5 and 2. Okay. So sorry, here plus 10 is there. So 5 into 2, 10. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. So the factors are, we can write here minus 5 into, instead of this quadratic polynomial, a plus 5 and a plus 2. These are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So now I am going to assign their values here. So first one, the factors of this quadratic polynomial, this one and this one, this one. So we found the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. Let us assign their values here. So here we found the factors of the quadratic polynomial. Let us assign their values. Before going to assign that, you know that if we have in division form, first we have to change into multiplication. The following rational expression will be written as in the form of reciprocal. So it's reciprocal. So first, now this 2a square plus 5a plus 3 divided by this one 2a square plus 7a plus 6. We change the sign, division to multiplication. Then this one will be written as in the form of reciprocal. So reciprocal of this one is minus 5a square minus 35a minus 50 divided by this one a square plus 6a plus 5. So now I am going to assign the factors. So first one 2a square plus 5a plus 3 is equal to 2a plus 3 into a plus 1. 2a plus 3 into a plus 1 divided by this one 2a square plus 7a plus 6 is equal to a plus 2 into 2a plus 3 into, I am going to write the following rational expression here. So this one is equal to minus 5 into a plus 5 into a plus 2 divided by this one expansion is a plus 1 into a plus 5. So now we can cancel the common factors. So if we have common factor, we can cancel them. So what are they? This 2a plus 3, this 2a plus 3. Similarly, this a plus 2, this a plus 2, and this a plus 5, this a plus 5, this a plus 1, this a plus 1. Actually, this minus 5 is on numerator. So minus 5 is the required irreducible form of this rational expression. So the question is b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4 divided by b square minus 49 divided by b square minus 5b. This is 5b, not 56. 5b minus 11. So better we find the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. First we are going to find the factors. So take the first quadratic polynomial. You know that quadratic polynomial have two factors. So we are going to find the two factors first. Take this b square plus 3b minus 28. So in the quadratic polynomial factors find out பண்றதுக்கு first இந்த constant term எடுத்துக்கோம். The constant term is minus 28. Next coefficient of b, this is b, its coefficient is 3. So when we multiply two numbers, ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது கிடைக்கிறது minus 28. அதே சேம் டூ நம்பர்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு கிடைக்கிறது 3 வரணும். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் தே அப்படின்னா 7, 4. 7 into 4 28. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, but here minus 28 plus 3 will get. So minus for 4. The 4 நம்ம minus assign பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 7 into minus 4 minus 28. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so the two factors are, how can we write it as the factors form அப்படின்னா அந்த வேரியபிள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் bங்கிறது எழுதிட்டேன், இங்கே plus 7. So b plus 7 எழுதிச்சு. Next variable b minus 4. So these two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So next second one, b square plus 4b plus 4. It is very easy. The constant term இங்கே எழுதிட்டேன் 4. coefficient of b ங்கிறது 4 இங்கே எழுதியாச்சு. ஸோ ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 4 வரும், ஆட் பண்ணாலும் 4 வரும். ஸோ 2 and 2. 2 into 2 4, 2 plus 2 4. ஸோ இதை ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் ஃபார்மில் எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? I told you clearly, first we write the variable, that is b first, and plus 2 and b plus 2. These two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. If you multiply them, you can get the quadratic polynomial. Move to third one, that is b square minus 49. It is in the form of algebraic identity. That means a square minus b square form. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So இங்கே b ங்கிறது 7, அதாவது 7 square. So it can be written as b plus 7 into b minus 7. These are the two factors. So move to last one, that is b square minus 5b minus 11. So minus 11 and minus 5. So ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது minus 11 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கணும், minus 5. What are the two numbers? I'm sorry, here 14 is there. So product of two numbers is minus 14. So product of two numbers is minus 14. Sum of the same two numbers is minus 5. So what are they? 7 and 2. 7 into 2 14. 7 minus 2 na minus 5 வராது, plus 5 வரும். So இங்கே minus assign பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ minus 7 into 2 na minus 14, minus 7 plus 2 na minus 5. So இது replace பண்ணிக்கோங்க. b minus 7 b plus 2. So now we found the factors of the all quadratic polynomial. And already I told you division is எப்படினா என்ன பண்றோம், by changing into multiplication, and the following rational expression will be written as their reciprocal form. So first b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4 sign change பண்ணிட்ட multiplication. இதோட reciprocal என்ன அப்படினா தலைகீழி. First b square minus 5b minus 14 divided by this one b square minus 49. இப்போ replace பண்ணிக்கலாம். So first b square plus 3b minus 28. இதோட expansion என்ன? So first factors எழுதுறோம். First quadratic polynomial ஓட factors b plus 7 into b minus 4 divided by இந்த quadratic polynomial ஓட factors b plus 2 into b plus 2 into this one expansion is b minus 7 into b plus 2, b minus 7 b plus 2 divided by your expansion b plus 7 b minus 7. So இதோட expansion substitute பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ common factors என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம். So இங்க பாருங்க b plus 2 this b plus 2, b minus 7 b minus 7, b plus 7 b plus 7. So what do we have, b minus 4 divided by b plus 2. This is the irreducible form. Hereafter we cannot simplify it. Next third subdivision, x plus 2 divided by 4y divided by x square minus x minus 6 divided by 12y square. It is very easy. Only one quadratic polynomial we have, remaining and all linear factor form only. First rational expression as it is, x plus 2 divided by 4y, by changing the sign, division into multiplication, and this rational expression is reciprocal, that is 12y square divided by this one. Actually x square minus x minus 6 minus 6 minus 1. So product of two numbers is minus 6, sum of the same two numbers minus 1, 3 and 2. So minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. So it can be written as x minus 3 and x plus 2. So here I am going to replace x minus 3 into x plus 2. This x plus 2, this x plus 2 will be cancelled. Similarly, this 4 one time, here 3 times, and this y one time cancel. So here 1 will be there. So what do we have, 3y. This is numerator, and denominator have x minus 3. So 3y divided by x minus 3. This is the required answer. In this question number 4, first I am going to find the factors of the quadratic polynomial. If you take that first one, 12t square minus 22t plus 8. We can take that common factor out. What is the common factor means? These are multiple of 2. So we can take that 2 out. So what do we have here? 6t square minus 11t plus 4. 6t square minus 11t plus 4. So first this one multiply them, 6 into 4 24, and this one minus 11. So product of any two numbers is plus 24. Sum of the same two numbers is minus 11. 8 3s are 24. So minus 8 minus 3. Minus 8 into minus 3 plus 24. Minus 8 minus 3 gives minus 11. And we multiplied by 6. So we want to divide by that same number 6. 1 time, here 2 time. Here 2 table means 3 time. Here 4 time. Okay. So how can we write it as the factors form? So 3 into that variable 3t minus this number 3t minus 4. Similarly this one 2 into that variable is t minus 1. Here 1 will be there. So 2t minus 1. These are the two factors of the quadratic polynomial. And this one no need to write. And this one we are going to find 3t square plus 2t minus 8. So this one multiply 3 into 8 24 minus 24 plus 2. So 6 into 4 24, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 6 and 4 we can take. And here minus 24 is there. So we assign minus for the smallest number. 6 into minus 4 equal to minus 24. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Okay. So when you multiply it by 3, you want to divide by that same number 3. So 1 time, here 2 times. So how can we write it as in the form of factors? The denominator 1 is there. So 1 into t plus numerator is 2. T plus 2. And this one 3 into variable t minus 4. 3t minus 4. And this one 2t square plus 4t. Here 2t is a common factor. If you take the 2t out, what do we have here? 1t will be there plus 2. T plus 2. So 2t into t plus 2. These are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So next we are going to change the sign division into multiplication and this reciprocal. Then we can cancel them. So here we found the factors of the quadratic polynomials. Now I am going to assign that. Before going to assign it, we have to change the sign division into multiplication and this one reciprocal. So first one as it is 12t square minus 22t plus 8 divided by 3t. The sign will be changed, division into multiplication, and this one 2t square plus 4t divided by this one 3t square plus 2t minus 8. So assign their factors. First one factor, this one 3t minus 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by this one 3t as it is into this one 2t of t plus 2 divided by this one factors are this t plus 2 into 3t minus 4. So now we can cancel if they have common factors. So the common factors t plus 2, 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4, and this t and this t. So what do we have? This 2 into, this 2 will be there, 2 into 2t minus 1 divided by 3. So 2 by 3 into 2t minus 1. This is the simplest form of this rational expression. So actually I have committed a mistake here. That is, when I replace with the factors, I forgot to replace this 2. So here you can replace it 2 and here also. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by 3. So the answer is 4 by 3 into 2t minus 1. Question number 4, exercise number 3.5. X value and y values are given. They are asking to find x square into y power minus 2. Y power minus 2. Instead of finding this one, I am going to find x square into, if you take that y power minus 2, 1 by y power plus 2. This you have learnt already. Actually, law of reciprocal you have learnt. in that we have learned this concept. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power plus m. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power plus m. Like that, y power minus 2 can be written as 1 by y power plus 2. So we are going to find x square and y square. After finding that, we can multiply them. So first x is equal to this one. So factors x is equal to a square plus 3a minus 4. Already you are familiar with to find the factors of the quadratic polynomial. So product of two numbers is minus 4, sum of the same two numbers is plus 3. Okay. So when we multiply 1 and 4, we can get 4 and add பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் 3. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், a plus 4 and a minus 1. This 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Already you are familiar with this. That's why I have written directly. Listen here. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Same concept. This one 3 is the common factor. We can take that out. So what do we have? A square minus 1. A square minus 1 means a plus 1 into a minus 1. A plus 1 into a minus 1. This a minus 1, this a minus 1 cancel. So x is equal to a plus 4 divided by 3 into a plus 1. This is x value. So what about x square? X square is equal to a plus 4 whole square divided by 3 square value 9 into a plus 1 whole square. So x square result we found it. Similarly, we are going to find the y square result. Y is equal to this one. Okay. So this rational expression. First, find the factors of this one. A square plus 2a minus 8. The product of any two numbers is minus 8. Sum of the same two numbers is 2. 4 and 2, you know that. A plus 4 and a minus 2. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 4 minus 2, 2. So a plus 4 and a minus 2 are the factors. Similarly, this one, we find out பண்ணும்போது, so 2a square minus 2a minus 4. So first is 2a square minus 2a minus 4. So 2 is the common factor. First we take that out. So first 2 எடுத்துட்டோம்னா a square here minus a minus 2. So product of any two numbers is minus 2. Sum of the same two numbers is minus 1. 1 comma 2. Here minus 2 plus 1. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So 2 into, this can be written as a plus 1 and a minus 2. Okay. So I am going to replace here 2 into a plus 1 and a minus 2. This a minus 2, this a minus 2 cancel. So what do we have? Y is equal to this a plus 4 divided by 2 into a plus 1. So what about y square? Y square means a plus 4 whole square divided by 4 into a plus 1 whole square. So we found the result of x square and y square. So now I am going to substitute here. So x square equal to a plus 4 whole square divided by 9 into a plus 1 whole square. Similarly, y square equal to a plus 4 whole square divided by 4 into a plus 1 whole square. So now x square into 1 by y square. So 1 by y square அப்படிங்கும்போது இந்த y square ரேஷனல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷனில் தான் இருக்குது. இப்போ 1 by y square அப்படின்னா இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு x square as it is, that is a plus 4 whole square divided by 9 into a plus 1 whole square into 1 by y square. So y square is a plus 4 whole square by 4 into a plus 1 whole square. 1 by y square அப்படிங்கும்போது இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எழுதிக்கலாம். அப்போ 4 of a plus 1 whole square divided by a plus 4 whole square. So common factors, this a plus 4 whole square, this a plus 4 whole square, a plus 1 whole square, a plus 1 whole square. So finally we got 4 by 9. This is the required answer. So x square into y power minus 2 is equal to 4 by 9. This is the required. exercise 3.5 question number 5. The question is, if a polynomial p of x, that is x square minus 5x minus 14, is divided by another polynomial q of x. So we can write it as p of x by q of x. Okay, this p of x is given, that is x square minus 5x minus 14 divided by this q of x is unknown. We are going to find this, and the answer, so when we divide this p of x by q of x, we can get this rational expression, that is x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. They are asking to find q of x. Okay, so how to find q of x? You can take this here and this one becomes here. So q of x is equal to, if you take this right hand side, it becomes reciprocal here. So x square minus 5x minus 14 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 7. So the q of x நம்ம right hand side எடுக்கும்போது இந்த term complete left hand side எடுத்துட்டு வரோம். அப்போ இதோட reciprocal இங்க எழுதிருக்கேன். x minus 7 divided by x plus 2 ஓட reciprocal x plus 2 divided by x minus 7. If you know the factors of this quadratic polynomial, you can cancel them and get the polynomial. So இப்போ இதோட factors find out பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Product of any two numbers is minus 14. Sum of the same two numbers is minus 5. So 7 and 2. 7 into 2 14 and 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So here minus 7 plus 2. So minus 7 and plus 2. So I'm going to replace this by x minus 7 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 divided by this x minus 7. Cancel this and this because common factors. So what do we have? X plus 2 into x plus 2, or else you can write it as x plus 2 the whole square. So this is the polynomial q of x. When we divide this polynomial by this, you can get the rational expression, this one. I hope you all understood today's topic. So next class we will see next exercise. Thank you.